If you are going to buy the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I don't think you are doing it because you want the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Chances are you want the Apple Watch Ultra, and the second generation version Apple just unveiled is simply the model that will be on shelves. That's to say, there aren't very many upgrades between the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. That's certainly not enough to make someone who has the original upgrade to the new one. Despite the Ultra's bigger, brighter display, new complication-packed watch face, and the introduction of a performance-boosting chip, the Apple Watch Series 9 is instead the most exciting Apple Watch available this year. So, for the biggest display and longest battery life possible, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 still has plenty to offer and could hook those holdouts. In addition to the processor's enhancements, it gets a fresh ultra-wide band chip and proudly transitions from virgin titanium to a 95% recycled titanium frame. Like the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is among Apple's debut offerings of carbon neutral certified devices too. As someone who used the Apple Watch Ultra for the larger part of the last year, I can't say I gravitate to the rugged watch as much as I did the first time around, but I went hands-on with it to get a taste of the key changes. Here's what you need to know. You can pre-order the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now with the full availability starting September 22. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 maintains the same $799 which is double the starting price of the Apple Watch Series 9 $399. I will admit I was worried the titanium induced price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro could hit the Apple Watch Ultra, but for $799 you get your choice of ultra specific band, a braided charging cable and cellular support. Performance-wise, the Apple Watch Series 9 versus Apple Watch Ultra 2 have a lot in common. It packs the S9 processor, which promises the first true power upgrade since the Apple Watch Series 6. Apple claims it's 25% more efficient, built on 5.6 billion transistors with 30% faster GPU animations and 4-core neural engines that enable machine learning twice as fast. The S9 efficiency makes the 3000 nit display possible without sacrificing battery life. You will get 36 hours of normal use with the Apple Watch Ultra 2, but up to 72 hours leveraging the low power mode feature. In addition to the S9, the Apple Watch Ultra gets Apple's upgraded U2 ultra-wideband chip complete with some clever new functionality. If you misplace your iPhone, now the Apple Watch's ping feature will direct you to your iPhone's location, similar to how my Find My works for an AirTag. The U2 chip's proximity sensing will also prompt you to launch a playlist from your wrist when you are near your HomePod if you own one. I go a bit more in depth about the double tap gesture for Apple Watch Ultra in my Apple Watch Series 9 hands-on review, but in brief, it's a fresh way to navigate your Apple Watch one-handed. So if you are hanging off a cliff, you could theoretically answer calls and open apps by tapping your index finger and thumb of your watch hand together. Speaking of cliff hanging, Apple covers cyclists and divers some new features with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. With WatchOS 10, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 will now connect via Bluetooth to power meters, speed sensors, and cadence sensor for cyclists wanting more metrics and workout views. The built-in depth app gets an upgrade too. Now it will save a log of each dive so users can take a look back at their most recent sessions on their Apple Watch Ultra 2 or check out the complete history of all their dives in the fitness app on iPhone.